What's going on? It's Ed here from Geek, and if you're an auto detailer and you've watched any of our case study videos before, you know one of my favorite words is the word velocity. Creating velocity and momentum in business is one of the most important things you can do as the owner, and the best way you can do that is by generating more leads consistently and predictably, so you have a steady pipeline building up and you create a groundswell for your business for growth and velocity and momentum. So I woke up this morning and I came into this email. This is a client we just launched a month ago, and it says, first off, thank you for your services. The first month in the business, you produced me 74 leads and I got 40 washes out of it. Talk about velocity. The rest of the email is some internal stuff that we're going to do for him. But I just wanted to give you those first two sentences because that's how fast this can happen. This was literally the first month we ran the campaign for him. And he's doing really well out of the gate. So I just want you to see that this is possible to do very quickly and to change your business overnight. So what a difference a month was for this particular gentleman. This was a new business. So really excited for him. If you've watched our channel at all, you know I love the word velocity. You know I love the word momentum because it's the hardest thing to create in business. But if you've got a predictable, stable lead generation source that can generate you leads day in and day out, you can create momentum pretty quickly in your business. And with that momentum, you can get yourself out of the vehicle, out of the cleaning, and into more of a manager role where you hire people to actually do the services for you. And that old cliche, work on your business, not in your business, that gives you the ability to do that. So if you are an auto detailer and you want some help operating or putting something like this into your business, I'll drop a link below this video. Just fill out the application and let's set up time to chat and see if there's something I can do to help you. We'll know pretty quickly within the first couple minutes of the call. But there's also tons of case study videos on this channel for detailers. If it's of interest, just reach out and we'll go from there and have a nice chat. That's it for today. It's Ed here from Geek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency and we specialize in lead gen for local businesses. And you know I love the detailers. So if you need anything, link below. Have a great day, guys. Bye.